Hello everyone, my name is Nabil Ahmed. Our business name is Maharaj.com. It is an e-tailer business, and as you can see, our group code is 4, and this is our name and ID. We have given the website link below, and the YouTube link is also given. So now let's start with the business model. That is our value proposition. We will work as an intermediary between buyers and sellers, and we will charge from the sellers or distributors uh, for each uh, for each order that has been placed. So let's move to the another part, that is our consumers can order products by sitting at their couch, which which more precisely I mean that they can order their desired products or required products at their comfort zone. Moreover, we have ease of payment system, like they can uh, they can pay through Bcash, DBBL, credit or debit cards, or even cash on delivery. So another part is ease of selection. If you go to our website, you can see there are various categories like gadgets, electronic items, etc. So you have a category to choose from. So now the next part is ease of home delivery. That is, uh, we have hired some people for delivering, and we are currently operating this in Dhaka city. So the home delivery facilities, not only in Dhaka city, in Bangladesh. So the home delivery facilities are going to be provided around Bangladesh. I mean inside Bangladesh. So the next part is there will be no fraudulent activities, like uh, we are going to show you something else about the product, and you are going to get something else from after the delivery. So that's not going to happen in our business because it's against our business policy. Now let's move to the next part, that is revenue model. We will generate our revenue by selling goods of sellers to buyers and charging commission from the seller on their sold products, for availing or serving the seller the opportunity to reach a broader market. As I have said before, we will charge from the distributor for availing the services a certain amount of percentage. So that's it. Now the next part is market opportunity. Since we are a startup e-tailer business, we are focusing on selling products from sellers, which includes clothing, accessories, gadgets, laptops, tablets, cell phones, beauty products for women, healthcare products, etc. Let's move to the next part, that is competitive environment. In Bangladesh, there are already some e-commerce businesses who are in e-tailer business like Taras, Backroom, etc. But our competitive environment over our competitors is that we are not going to show them something else and provide them with something else after the delivery. So basically, we are creating a trust issues. So uh, we want to create our brand loyalty. So that is what we what going to work as a competitive advantage. And yeah, this is how our competitive environment is, and this is how we have competitive advantage, or more precisely, this is our unique selling proposition. Now let's move to the next part, that is competitive advantage. As I have discussed earlier, that we are not going to provide something else and by showing something else. So you are basically going to get a reliable product. So we try to build a bridge, a connection between the customers and our business. So the brand equity will be higher and the brand loyalty will be created. So by that we can retain customer. That is our what I will say is competitive advantage, because we are not going to conduct any fraudulent act. Now let's move to the next part, that is market strategy, segmentation. The first part of our marketing strategy is segmentation profile. So as you can see here in the table, the segmentation profile, the first one is geographic segment. That is, we have selected the country Bangladesh and all the major cities in Bangladesh. urban areas, suburban areas, the density. Now let's move to the next part, that is demographic. We are selecting our customers who are above 18 years, gender are both male and female, family size up to 1 to 4, family life cycle is young, single, married, unmarried couples, income is above 50,000 taka, occupation is to students, job holders, proprietors, homemakers, education, graduate, postgraduate, professional, SSC, SSC pass, religion, all religion, nationality, Bangladeshi, psychographic segments. Psychographic segments basically means social class. So we are targeting middle class, upper middle class, and upper class. Now let's move to the next part, that is targeting. That is marketing strategy. The second part of marketing strategy is targeting. So in targeting, we have targeted this segment because they are highly attractive segments to be targeted. Basically, our target segments are those people who are busy with their life, as we know that earlier life used to be more simpler than today. In this at this present time. So people are becoming more busier than before. So they hardly want to waste their time, or they hardly have enough time to spend on anywhere. They don't want to visit the marketplace. They hardly get enough time for visiting to a marketplace and selecting from those categories the desired products. So that's why they rely on online products, but they are not satisfied with the false products that our competitors provide. But and we are providing reliable products, which they can not only rely on our business, but also they can have ease of payment, ease of accessibility, plus they can do it at their comfort zone, so there will be no hassle. So now let's move to the next part, that is positioning strategy. We have used three differentiation strategies for positioning, that is service differentiation, relationship differentiation, and image differentiation. We are not only going to, so the first one is service differentiation. We are not only going to provide products to our customer, but also helping them to connect with the distributor for various kinds of offers and discounts. The next part is relationship differentiation. We will use relationship marketing to build a great relationship with our customer, to increase our brand equity and to retain them. Third one is image differentiation. We are going to use image differentiation by effectively communicating to our customers through advertisements, where we will try to connect with them by highlighting their problems and providing solutions for them. As I said earlier, people have very less amount of time, so they don't want to go to the market and just select from various categories their desired product. So for that they rely on online products, but that's of no use, because our competitors are always providing them with some false products. So eventually they are not satisfied. So that's why we have came up with a strategy that we are going to build a trust issue, and that is what going to work as our positioning strategy. That is how we are going to make our business different than our competitors, and this is what we have discussed in the image differentiation part. So now let's move to the next part, that is marketing mix. Since our business is a service business, so as we all know that marketing mix for service business is based on 7 P's. So the 7 P's are product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence. So let's begin. The first part is product. Our product is a service that we offer to our consumers to buy reliable products at their own ease. That means, by that we mean at their comfort zone. Second one is price. Our pricing strategy is that we will charge a percentage for each product's order, not from the consumers but from the distributors. Third one is place. We are going to avoid our business from home, since it's a startup business and managing the websites will be outsourced. Promotion. We will promote our business through sponsored ads, paid ads, SEO and SEM. people, our people or personnel for our organization will be very few. It will be only partners because it is a startup business and we will outsource most of our work to carry out the business. Next one is process. The overall process for delivering the service to the customer is through online interaction, providing the product at their doorsteps. And the last one is physical evidence. Physical evidence for our business is basically our home. We will operate the business from our house and will outsource most of the work. So it's not basically our home. It's actually the internet connection and the connectivity. The connectivity means the LAN connection, and yeah, we will operate through mobile or interaction with the people who we are going to outsource. So that's what is our physical evidence. Now let's move to the next part, that is organizational development. Our organizational structure will be lean. A lean organizational structure is a structure that is designed to create more customer value using fewer resources than a traditional organizational structure. Members of an organization that utilizes a lean structure focuses on the value stream the organization uses to deliver goods and services to their customers. That is, we will be more customer centric than employee centric. So our motto is to build relationship with customer so that we can retain them and develop and increase our brand equity so that our brand value will be perceived in consumers' mind. Now let's move to the next part, that is management team. Our organizational development is that we are a startup business and each member of our business is the owner. So first one is Mr. Jahan Orin. She is the HR director. Her main job is to assign work and select who is suitable for the work that we outsource. MD Fazli Alahi, he is the account director and his main responsibility is about keeping records and journals. Taifun Rahman, he is the finance director and his responsibility is all about investment in the business. Nabil Ahmed, he is the marketing director and his responsibility is about the whole marketing strategy to create and increase brand equity to retain customers. So that's all from me. That is all about our business model of Maharaj.com. So thank you